Securely mount your phone to your motorcycle's brake or clutch with the Quad-Lock brake clutch mount. Compatible with all Quad-Lock cases and universal adapters, the Quad-Lock brake clutch mount is easy to attach and detach, and features our patented dual-stage lock for a secure connection. Install in minutes and keep your phone secure and accessible so you can clearly view navigation apps or screen calls with your Bluetooth headset. Made from a combination of tough materials to survive the elements, the Quad-Lock brake clutch mount fits seamlessly onto your motorcycle or scooter. Upgrade your motorcycle mount with one of our 2 charging options, the Quad-Lock weatherproof wireless charging head or the integrated Quad-Lock USB charger. Both chargers are IP66 water resistant and come with everything needed for a simple installation with all Quad-Lock motorcycle mounts. Our optional slip-on cover called the Poncho provides extra protection from the elements. Keep your phone safe with Quad-Lock's impact-resistant edge-to-edge cover and protective lining. With more than 80,000 5-star reviews, see why motorcyclists all around the world are using Quad-Lock. Buy yours now at quadlockcase.net.